Let us solve few more problems related to trigonometric functions. So here the information given to us is cot theta is 7 by 8. We have to find the value of this function, which is 1 plus sine theta, 1 minus sine theta divided by 1 plus cos theta and 1 minus cos theta, and also the value of cot square theta. So the value of cot square theta we can find out immediately. So it is nothing but 7 by 8 the whole square, which is 49 by 64. Now let's solve the first one here, trying to find the value of this function. So if you notice here, this is a minus b and a plus b and a minus b, and it is the same in the denominator also. So we can write this as 1 minus sine square theta by 1 minus cos square theta. Now let's draw a right angle triangle and find all the sides. So that will be easier for us to solve. So let's assume this is theta. So if cot theta is 7 by 8, cot theta is 1 by tan theta. So tan theta would be 8 by 7. So tan theta is opposite by adjacent. So this will be 7 and 8. What will be the value of hypotenuse? So it will be square root of, hypotenuse is square root of 8 square plus 7 square, which is 64 plus 49, which is square root of 113. So the square root of 113 is the hypotenuse. We don't have a whole number for the square root of 113, so let us retain it the way it is. Now let us apply this value here. So what is sine theta? Sine theta is 8 by square root of 113. So sine square theta will be 1 minus 8 by square root of 113 the whole square divided by 1 minus, what would be cos square theta? It would be 7 divided by square root of 113. So the whole square, 7 by square root of 113 the whole square. So this will be 113 minus 64, which is 49 by 113, and 113 minus 49, that would be 64 divided by 113. So we can cancel the denominators. So the value would be 49 divided by 64. So this will be the answer of the function. Now in this question, we have been given the value of cot A, which is 4 by 3. Using this information, we have to check if the left hand side is equal to right hand side. So the function on the left hand side is 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. Is this equal to cos square A minus sine square A? So now, using the information given to us, let's mark it in a right angle triangle. So if this is A, if this is the angle where we are actually looking for the trigonometric functions, so cot A is 1 by tan A. So tan A would be, what would be the value of tan A? It would be 3 by 4. So if tan A is 3 by 4, that means the opposite side is 3 here and the adjacent side is 4. And the hypotenuse would be 3 square plus square root of 3 square plus 4 square, which is 5. Now let's apply it in the equation. So let's find the value of 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. Let's apply the value here. 1 minus 3 by 4 the whole square divided by 1 plus 3 by 4 the whole square. So this would be 16 minus 9 by 16 divided by 16 plus 9 by 16, can cancel the denominators. So this would be 7 by 25. Correct? Now let's see what the value of cos square a minus sine square a would be. So cos square a minus sine square a is, what is cos a? Adjacent by hypotenuse. So that would be 4 by 5 the whole square minus, what is sine a? Sine a is opposite by hypotenuse. So that would be 3 by 5 the whole square. So the denominator would be 25, and this would be 16 minus 9, which is 7 by 25. So we found that in both the cases, left hand side and right hand side, we end up with 7 by 25. So this holds true.